Organs of speech. The sound of launch or allophones are produced by the organs of speech. The said organs of speech are called a phonatory device. It is a hollow space that we find inside our neck which contains the larynx and is composed of a series of cartilage that surround the vocal cords. These cartilages are called cricoid, pterygoid, and arytenoids, and the most famous muscles in this area are the vocal muscles. The most important function of the glottal cavity is to produce a vowel sound. At this point, the vibration of the vocal cord produces the sound of the voice. Glottal cavity. Infraglottic cavity of organs of respiration. It is formed by the lung, the bronchi, the trachea, and the diaphragm. Its main function is to breathe as a vital function for our functioning, and as a secondary function to breathe the emission of the sound of launch. Oral cavity. Supraglottic cavity or organ of respiration. It is the palate, the tongue, the teeth, and the lips that are fitted with resonance properties that produce the sound of launch. Nasal cavity. It is also a resonator. It contains a good amount of bones and cavities and has an important function in breathing. Pharynx. A muscle located in the neck that connects the nose and mouth to the trachea and esophagus. This cavity is also part of the digestive system. How does the voice produce? The air that comes out of the lung ascends toward the bronchi, the trachea, and then the larynx. The larynx is made up of a series of cartilages that surround the vocal cords. It is in the larynx that the voice is produced properly in its natural tone. Then it undergoes a modification in the resonance box of the nose, mouth, and throat that amplifies and the timbre of the voice is formed.